Don't let shipping costs kill your WooCommerce sale. Here's a simple way to let customers contact you for a custom shipping quote. So for example, here we've already got a few products in our basket. And if we scroll down here, let's zoom in. Here we've got this option which says need a custom shipping quote. And if we click on this, essentially we can customize the fields here as well. So if you needed more information regarding the prospects, location, or any other additional information you'll need from them, we can customize this field here. But I just want to keep it super simple, and we can request a custom shipping quote. I'll quickly show you what it looks like in the back end. When we navigate over to wholesale WP and then inbox, we've got our custom shipping quote. We can see the product in which the customer wants, and we can see the message here, and any other custom fields that you included, then it would be included here as well. So we got a few options. Let's say we needed additional information from them. We can go ahead and reply here. We can choose from our canned response, and we can create a custom offer, or we can let it create a custom offer for us. So the AI is creating a custom offer for us. So we've got the offer name here. We can see it's to this customer that requested a quote, and we've got the item in our cart. And then here we can go ahead and add a custom shipping rate. If I'm not mistaken, one of the items wasn't included. That's fine. We can go ahead and add the product here. So we can search for the product name or the SKU code, and then we can just add it here as well. We can tailor the pricing as well. But basically, we just want to give a custom quote. So let's say the custom quote is $300. We can add an expiry date. We can specify the payment terms. So we can say due on receipt. And then we can add a custom note here as well. When we hit send offer, this will automatically email the customer, and it will have an invoice of what they're ordering, and it'll also have a payment link so they can pay directly from the email. They don't need to log into their account. However, if they log into their account, they will see this offer here, this custom offer with the custom shipping rate, and they can go ahead and check out. I'll show you the flow later on. To achieve all this, we'll be using the Wholesale WP plugin. So just head over to wholesalewp.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard, and I'll show you how you can go ahead and create a custom request a shipping quote rule. We'll navigate over to our dashboard here. Assuming you've downloaded and installed the Wholesale WP plugin, the next step is to navigate over to Wholesale WP. We just need to go ahead and click create new rule. Right, we'll select our rule type here. Let's zoom in a bit. And then from here, we just need to scroll down to where it says advanced rules, and we'll say cart shipping quote. We'll give this a name. It's just for internal purposes. So we'll say custom shipping. Fine. Now we get to decide on what product we want this rule to apply to. So I'm going to set it for all product. You can set it for specific category, specific tags, or a specific product. So if you've got an unusual size product that really requires a custom shipping quote, then you can do so. Or if this is for a B2B type of play, then we can enable it for all products. We get to choose who we want to display this to. So we can display it to everyone. So just because we set it to all products, we still get to specify the group in which we want to display this option to. So for example, if you're running a B2C and B2B store, then you might want to only show this option to our B2B customers, and then we'll leave the default flow for our retail customers. So here we get to specify that. So we can say everyone, logged in users, logged in B2B users, or we can actually create a combined audience or set it for specific users or our B2B groups here. Keep everything super simple. I'm just going to set this to everyone, and our conflict checker is letting us know that there's already a request a quote rule. In your case, you wouldn't have that issue. It's because I've got two identical rules conflicting. You'll just go ahead and click create and activate, and then we'll get that option on the front end like what we've got here, where we can see our custom quote. Now I'll show you the flow from the user's perspective when they log into their account. Here we can see that we've inquired about some custom shipping quote for these products here. And then when the admin reply, so from here as well, we can go ahead and add our follow-up questions, or if the admin requires any additional information from the customer, we can reply here as well. So let's quickly generate a quote for that user, and then we'll have a look at how it is on the front end. So I'll just go to inbox. All right. And we'll go away to customers. Let's click on this option here. Again, this may not work because essentially I've generated a quote as an admin, and I'm the admin as well, right? So it doesn't really make sense. So we'll see if it works. I'm just going to copy this here. I'm going to click draft an offer with the AI. So as we can see, this vintage product here, it's actually got a SKU code, whereas these other two products doesn't have a SKU code. So that's why the AI wasn't able to pick up those items. So probably have to tweak that. Try to find this product here. So we've got it. We'll add this to our quote, and I wanted 10 units of this particular product. So let's add our custom shipping quote here. Let's say $400, for example. We'll add an expiry date and we'll say this is due upon receipt. We can add some custom message here as well. Let's just hit send offer. Now we'll head back over to my account page. As I said, they'll get an email as well, letting them know there's a new quote. So if they log into their account, as you can see, we've got this notification here, letting us know that we've got a new offer. And when we click on it, we can see the offer title here and we can see that custom message in which we can add. We can see the price and so on. So from here, they can go ahead and accept and add this to their basket and then just go through the normal checkout flow, or they can follow up with a few questions. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.